All right, motherfuckers. We're just gonna cut straight to it. No intro, raw dog it. Tamron 2875, Sony A7R3, A90 Mark V Supra, Zeal, shipping containers, supply drop crates, Call of Duty. Enjoy the POV. Oh shit. Oh hell yeah.
Just go ahead.
Alright, let's go low. Shoot through some shit. So, do you see what I see here? If we're shooting 45 degree, it has to be back a bit.
Okay.
You see, because it's not lined up with that back.
because it looks like it's away from the thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the key. You can just move it.
Let me know. From up here, dude. This looks kind of sick from up here.
Look at those barbed wires. Yeah, you take it from below, you won't see it. Cover it.